Okay guys, so we are back, and we are definitely going to need to start repairing this place up. Wow, that's a lot of chests in there. Let's start off with this place. Some arrows. I already have a stack of them. I should be good. What? They were just really removing the cobwebs from the... Is that... Oh, that's redstone. I thought that was blood. RIP, family cow... See, family pig Jack, and family guy. But I'm scared to dig these up. We might do that in another episode. Ow. Right. Forgot we need to remove the cobwebs for this place. I want these people to rest in peace after all. So we want their little grave cemetery to be all nice and clean. So we're going to be just removing the cobwebs from here. Rest in peace. And just take that though. Oh, there's more? Okay. Wow, why is there so much redstone? I'm supposed to be letting them rest in... Oh god, I need some white. I'm supposed to be letting them rest in peace, but I can't help it, okay? Yeah, we're definitely gonna need... Wait. Pretty sure I saw some stone. I think, yeah, for today's episode, what we should be doing every episode is just repairing up individually every house. So I wanted to get this stone, not this. I think what we're gonna just be repairing one house at a time every episode. And who knows, we might find some secrets on the way. So I'm just trying to repair this house first. Oh, there's another floor to this. I'll head that to there soon. Yeah, looks like we're going to need a lot of cobblestone to repair this floor up. I'm also not to mention that we're going to need to get rid of all these vines. Like the flooring is all good. We're going to need some doors too, but let's go up to this floor for a sec. Oh, it's a little vent room. Lots of books, that's for sure. Hey. Don't be taking my torches now. Maybe there's like something in there. I don't know. Maybe there probably isn't, but... Nope, nothing. I might as well just mark my respawn point here, so then if I die, I can just spawn right up in this house. Now where's mine? Alright, we're gonna just need to delete all the cobwebs. Yeah. It looks like we're gonna need to get some wood planks somehow from this place. Wait, did I just... Oh no, that's dark wood. That won't work. What's in here? Oh yeah, just some greens or whatever. Well, I think... Yeah, I think we'll repair some... Well, what am I even saying? Nah. So, maybe there's some normal planks this way. So I'm just gonna have to get some wood from here. That should be enough. Alright, let's get back here. I feel like I took too much, honestly, but you never know when we might need it. 'Cause chances are we are going to need this stuff later on for like another house. Next up, we need to get rid of these vines. That's why I have a shovel on me. There we go. I'm also gonna need to keep my sword on me, so in case I ever find cobwebs or anything. So basically, for the first step, this is gonna be a long series. Okay, first step, we're just gonna be like, getting stuff to do the basics of repairing for all the houses, and then we're gonna get into further detail, like replace this mossy one with normal ones, if you know what I'm saying. So today, for first up, oh, I didn't mean to break that up. For now, we're just doing the basics. Yeah. There we go. So yeah. Yeah, why am I getting out of here? Well, I think we're gonna have to find a way to get up there. Oh yeah, I'll just make a crafting table quickly. Place that down. Make a bunch of sticks for ladders. Make a bunch of ladders now, because we're gonna probably need ladders a lot for this kind of stuff. To like go up and repair further detail. I'll put that back soon. There we go. Let's start breaking up all this. I'm sure that compared to what we've seen, I'm sure there'll be some more interesting stuff on the way of the series. Oh, that's connected to something else, I think. Well, let's just come back to this side. Anything? Ow. Nope, we should be good, I think, for this house. For now, let me, just in case we may, whoa, that's a big waterfall there. Wait, what's that? Why is there quick question, why is there redstone underwater? Whatever. That's not important right now. What is important is finding out what this is. Ouch. What's this? HMX Exorcist Conquering World, or what? What's that? Oh, yeah, newer one. Might as well take that. I'm also gonna replace that with this. Take this and this and this. I don't care about the loot right now. We might need that later for restoring the village, though. There we go. Let's jump down. So yeah, I think this is it for episode 2. Bye, guys.